Name's Scott, company is Daletech. My role in the job is business admin apprentice.
My name's Dale, I work at Daletech Electronics, I'm the operations manager.
Daletech is a niche marketing company which work in electronical engineering, manufacturing boards for all different kinds of suppliers in surface mount, which is normally components that sit on top of the board, and conventional, which is components that go through the holes of the board.
We've done circuit boards for a hairdryer. One that I like and at the moment is a baby tag receiver, where in a hospital a baby would wear it on the wrist, and if it leaves the room an alarm would sound.
I do business admin, which involves all the following from goods inwards up to when an order first comes in. With my role, I've got so many different things I could be doing. I could be doing a quotation, I could be doing a costing, I could be sending order acknowledgements off, I could be stock checking, so then, just checking the stock so then we can get it ready for purchasing. I could be actually doing the purchasing, or I could be, keeping up to date with goods inwards and making sure that all the stock is actually in from our suppliers. There's a lot of different jobs that I could have on.
There is great opportunities in our company and sector. I started at the very beginning, like Scott, doing the junior roles as it was, and I've now progressed into operations manager.
For around a month I went to an engineering college, and then eventually found an apprenticeship job working at Daletech, and I've been working there for a year now. My course is a level 2 business admin.
The job roles we offer are production engineer and business admin. Production side of things is mainly where I come in for helping and training the apprentices in soldering, testing, programming. Because we're a small company, we are looking for all-round engineers, so we would train them in-house. They do go to college as well, but we would do most of the training in-house. To achieve a successful Daletech, it is very important to get the apprentices on board, hopefully straight away, so then we can progress their career as well as helping Daletech succeed as well.
I did ICT at GCSE level. It was quite easy for me to get it. I'm good with algorithms. Now working as a business admin, the main thing I use is Excel, which is based on spreadsheets, which I learned a lot in ICT. I think that's mainly the reason I wanted to do what I do, because I love the engineering side, and I also love working with ICT because of two things that I'm actually quite good at.
The skills that I look for are attention to detail and able to follow instructions. My best advice to get a job at Daletech is to come and see us. Just walk through the door and I'll show you what we do, how we do it, and where we could progress you guys to.